So weird.
What a decision that must be to make at that age for your kid. And your kid is also like talking about it since it's 3 years old, but still, it might be a hard decision to make. Happy? Yes? Are you happy? Soon you'll say something like, Mama. And Manuela. It's okay if that's your first word.
I still have trouble with that word.
Okay.
His first word's going to be
Booby. Probably.
booby.
Your first thought anyhow that along those lines. I want booby. Might not be able to say it.